How to set up Facebook legacy contact setting here on the Facebook account or on the Facebook application you're using. Now, what you have to do is simply open the Facebook main application and click on the Facebook account. When you open it, open your setting, click on security and then legacy. You're going to see legacy contact options on the last here. Here, whenever you will click it, you will see a menu like this. Just above the account deletion section here, after choosing your legacy contact, you will have the option to send a message to that person. You can simply send the message, and if they approve you, they will be your legacy contact. They will be added to your account. You may give your legacy contact permission to download and archive the post, photos, and profile information you have shared on the Facebook. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to channel for watching such amazing updates like that.